Hello everyone, welcome with my new video. In previous video we were discuss about the types of cost. In this video we were discuss about the factor affecting cost of capital. So first point is general economic conditions. In the general economic condition it is affect the interest rate. In this it is contained prevailing in the economy of country are largely responsible for demand and supply of capital and inflationary expectations. So that's why its general economic condition is affected the cost of capital. Next point is market conditions. In these market conditions it is affected the risk premium. When the economy is doing well, the most companies do well. This reduce the risk that companies will fail. Okay, it is the main point. Here again, when the economy is doing well, most companies do well. This reduce the risk that company will fail. And when the economy is doing poorly, many companies will also do poorly. Okay, this increase the risk that a company will fail. So that's why market condition is affect the cost of capital. So next one is operating and financing decision. So in this point, operating and financing decision, it is affected the business risk and also this point, it is also affect the financial risk. Both the business risk and financial risk, also affect the cost of capital. So next point is amount of financing. In this point, it is affected the flotation cost. What? It is affected the flotation cost and market price of security. In the amount of financing, it is affected flotation cost and market price of security. So that's why it also affect the cost of capital. Next one is tax rate. What will read? Tax rate. In this, when the tax rate will increase, the cost rate will also decrease. In this, the tax rate will increase, so cost rate will decrease. So that's why it's affect cost of capital. In this next point, risk free rate. In this, there is when the company's money invest in the other purchasing power of the company, so there will no power they have no power with the investor of the purchasing power. Okay. And next point is level of interest. In this level of interest, in this, the cost of debt and equity, both are also affected the cost of capital. When the general interest rate increase, so cost and debt also increase. Okay, so cost of capital will also increase. So it's also affect the cost of capital.